If you are listening to this, you might struggle with following the rules or guidelines for a discussion. This could take in many shapes and forms. For example, it may be the way that you are speaking in your discussion. It may be the actual means to which you prepare for your discussion, or maybe there are elements within the discussion that you are missing because you did not follow all of the guidelines given for the discussion itself. So let's fix this problem because we want to think about solutions rather than the barriers that exist. Now that you'll understand this a little bit more, this should be helpful in setting you up for success for further discussions. So what does it mean to follow the guidelines or rules for a discussion? It means listening, it means do your work, and it means following the guidelines class came up with. For example, we had brainstormed what collaboration really looks like. We came up with a set of guidelines that would be enacted into our classroom, and we have been adhering to them, or we've been following them. So if we come up with different guidelines to implement a discussion or to enact a discussion, it's your responsibility to 1, understand them, ask any questions for clarification, and 2, to actually participate in these actual rules or guidelines. So what does that look like specifically? It means that you're paying attention for these guidelines and rules, that you're following the directions of these guidelines or rules, and that you're being focused on the discussion. Listening is a big part as well as speaking. So keep those 2 elements in mind. They are very equal, and sometimes listening is often underrated because we feel like we have to talk all the time, but discussions are as powerful as listeners as well. So keep that in mind as you move forward in following the rules or guidelines for a discussion.